Goodful Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker, Shatterproof Durable Tritan Plastic Construction, Leak-Proof Lid, Large Capacity with Premium Stainless Steel, 2.25 QT, Black. Better brewing, enjoy smooth delicious cold brew coffee at home in just a few easy steps. Also great for iced tea and infused beverages, the airtight lid keeps your beverage fresh for days. Easy to use, brew, store and serve all in one. A simple 4-step process for delicious cold brew coffee. 1. Add coffee grounds to brew. Filter. 2. Pour cold water over coffee. 3. Brew in the refrigerator until desired strength is reached. 4. Serve and enjoy. Innovative design. This pitcher is manufactured without BPA and is odor and stain resistant. The pitcher was masterfully designed with a perfect spout and a leak-proof and keep fresh airtight lid. The specially designed lid seals in freshness for days and provides a smooth drip-free pour, while the fine mesh coffee filter keeps grounds out of your coffee. Perfect compact size, large enough for multiple servings yet still fits most refrigerator doors. This cold brew pitcher makes 9 cups of delicious smooth cold brew coffee or tea. Endless possibilities. Use your favorite coffee grounds, loose leaf tea, or tea bags and base your brew time on desired strength. Coffee lovers can add their favorite flavors such as vanilla, cinnamon, or coconut in with coffee grounds before cold brewing, while tea lovers can add mint or citrus zest to give your tea a little extra flavor. Effortless cleanup. This cold brew maker is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Includes a removable brew filter that features a removable bottom to easily clean out used grounds. Saves you money. Enjoy the cold brew coffee experience from the convenience of your home at a fraction of the price. Included components: cold brew filter and pitcher. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.